Interior design has evolved so much over the years. From elegant Art Nouveau to the sleek minimalism of today, every era has had its own unique style. In this video, we're taking you on a journey through time from 1900 to now to explore the most iconic interior design trends of each decade. And trust me, you won't want to miss the trends that are making a comeback today. Let's dive in. We start in the early 1900s with Art Nouveau, a style inspired by nature, curves, and intricate details. Homes were filled with organic shapes, floral patterns, stained glass windows, and intricate woodwork. It was all about beauty and craftsmanship, with a touch of romance. Moving into the 1910s, the Edwardian era brought a lighter and more airy feel to interiors. Rooms were brighter, with white painted furniture, pastel walls, and decorative moldings, creating a refined and elegant atmosphere. Now, welcome to the roaring 1920s, an era of bold glamour and luxury known as Art Deco. This style was all about bold geometric patterns, rich colors, and lavish materials like marble, glass, and gold. Think The Great Gatsby, but in interior design. By the 1930s, design became more streamlined and futuristic. Homes embraced curved shapes, sleek materials like chrome and glass, and a softer, more modern aesthetic, a reaction to the extravagance of the 1920s. During the 1940s, with World War II shaping design, interiors became more practical and functional. Homes featured sturdy, functional furniture, warm colors, and a focus on comfort, a reflection of a world recovering from war. The 1950s gave us one of the most enduring styles, mid-century modern. With its clean lines, organic shapes, and functional beauty, this style is still one of the most popular today. Designers like Eames and Saarinen helped define this era. The 1960s brought an explosion of color, pattern, and personality. Interiors featured vibrant hues, bold geometric prints, and futuristic designs inspired by the space age. Think Andy Warhol meets interior design. The 1970s, a time of earthy tones, macrame, and a free-spirited approach to decor. Homes were filled with warm colors, wood paneling, woven textiles, and lots of houseplants, a major contrast to the boldness of the 60s. Enter the 1980s, where more was more. This era loved big furniture, floral chintz, brass accents, and lots of glass. Think The Golden Girls meets high-end luxury. By the 1990s, people were ready for a clean, simple, and neutral aesthetic. Inspired by Scandinavian design, homes featured earthy tones, open spaces, and a less is more attitude. This was the birth of modern minimalism. In the early 2000s, we saw a love for traditional and Tuscan-inspired interiors. Homes featured warm colors, dark wood, granite countertops, and a focus on comfort, a far cry from the simplicity of the 90s. The 2010s brought two major trends, modern farmhouse and Scandinavian minimalism. With designers like Joanna Gaines, modern farmhouse became huge, with rustic woods, soft neutrals, and cozy simplicity. Meanwhile, Scandinavian design kept things clean, functional, and stylish. Where design is more eclectic and sustainable than ever. People are blending styles from different decades, embracing sustainable materials, vintage finds, and personalized spaces. It's all about mixing timeless pieces with trendy accents to create a home that truly reflects personality. Interior design has transformed so much over the decades. Which era is your favorite? Are you into the elegance of the 1920s, the coziness of the 1970s, or the clean lines of today? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more interior design inspiration, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching Space and Place Smart Ideas. See you next time.